Let's start. Bismillah, alhamdulillah, wa salatu wa salam ala rasulillah. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wa hlul 'uqdatan min lisani yafqahu qawli. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. So, page 2 pointer B. So this is 2B. Did you watch the video of this lesson?
Next time, inshallah.
So now this is 2B, and we have done it sometime. So let's move on. Introduction. No guidance for munafiqeen. No guidance for munafiqeen. Second pointer. Link with previous verses. Earlier it was mentioned that kuffar will not get hidayah, and now mentioned that no guidance for munafiqeen. So hypocrites we have like believers, but in reality they deceive others. Why? Deceit in hearts result in dunya. Allah increase their disease, result in akhirah, painful punishment. Painful punishment. How easy the Quran is, you have to learn only, and to learn them easily. So we will use phrases, because pointers and phrases help you learn vocabulary, and TPI helps you learn the grammar in part B. Let's do word for word meaning and phrase for phrase learning. Wa minan nasi, wa minan nasi, wa means and min. Minan nasi, wa minan nasi, and of the people. Wa minan nasi, and of the people are some, not all, are some. Wa minan nasi, and of the people are some. Man yaqulu, who say. Man yaqulu, who say. Amanna billahi, we believe in Allah.
Amanna billahi, we believe in Allah.
We believe in Allah. Wa bil yawmil akhiri, and in the last day. In the last day.
Bil yawmil akhir, and in the last day.
Wa ma hum bi mu'minin, and wa ma hum, but they are not believers. Wa ma hum bi mu'minin,
they are not the mu'minin.
Yeah, so this is like وَمِنَ النَّاسِ مَنْ يَقُولُ آمَنَّا بِاللَّهِ وَبِالْيَوْمِ الْآخِرِ وَمَا هُمْ بِمُؤْمِنِينَ. Third category of people, the hypocrites are very dangerous. Therefore, more details are given in the following verses. When some people saw that Muslims are getting powerful in Medina, they said, we are Muslims, but they had other plans. Okay, translate. Man yaqulu means who say, the one who says, who said, and which is said. Which one is correct?
Man yaqulu, who say, those one who say what he said.
So you mean A is correct. Nice answer. Good answer, mashallah. Who say? Man yaqulu means who say. يُخَادِعُونَ اللَّهَ. Read. يُخَادِعُونَ اللَّهَ. They seek to deceive Allah.
يُخَادِعُونَ اللَّهَ. They seek to
deceive Allah. وَالَّذِينَ آمَنُوا, and those who believe. وَالَّذِينَ آمَنُوا, and those who believe.
وَالَّذِينَ آمَنُوا, and those who believe.
وَمَا يَخْدَعُونَ, but they do not deceive.
But they do not deceive.
إِلَّا أَنفُسَهُمْ, except themselves.
أنفسهم, accept themselves.
وَمَا يَشْعُرُونَ, and they do not perceive.
وَمَا يَشْكُرُونَ, and they do not perceive it.
So يخادعون الله والذين آمنوا وما يخدعون. يخادعون Allah, we have learned already. والذين آمنوا, we have learned already. وما يخدعون, but not. But not. يخدعون, they deceive. إلا except أنفسهم, themselves.
إِلَّا أَنفُسَهُمْ, accept themselves.
Yes. وما يشعرون, and ma not. يشعرون, they do receive it. They do receive.
مَا يَشْكُرُونَ, and they do not perceive it.
They seek to deceive Allah and those who believe. Allah puts himself before the believers, shows the care and love for Allah for believers. Very soon they will know that they were destroying themselves. وَمَا يَخْدَعُونَ means, but you do not deceive, but they do not deceive, but you did deceive. They do not deceive. وَمَا يَخْدَعُونَ.
مَا يَخْدَعُونَ, but you do not deceive, but they do not deceive. Yes. They do not.
B is correct?
Yeah, B.
Yes,
B. But they do not.
Perfect. Translate, وَمَا يَشْعُرُونَ.
وَمَا يَشْكُرُونَ, they do not perceive. مَا يَشْكُرُونَ, they do not perceive, and they did not perceive, and they do not perceive. Wow. They do not.
And they do not perceive. Hypocrites behave like believers, but in reality, they deceive. May Allah be messenger of Allah, see themselves the Islam.
So I have to answer this one too.
Yes.
Allah mess of themselves. Oh, see.
MashaAllah,
Yes.
C is correct. Okay. So, في قلوبهم مرض فزادهم الله مرضا. في قلوبهم مرض.
في قلوبهم مرض فزادهم الله
In
مرض.
their hearts. في قلوبهم مرض, in their hearts. Maradun is a disease.
In their heart is
The
a
disease.
disease.
فزادهم, so Allah has increased them in disease.
فزادهم الله. So Allah has increased them maradu in this disease.
وَلَهُمْ
Disease.
عَذَابٌ أَلِيمٌ.
Disease look like it's sickness in the heart, huh?
Yes, something in their heart. I mean, something bad.
Mm.
So, وَلَهُمْ عَذَابٌ أَلِيمٌ, and for them is a painful punishment. Adabun, punishment, alim, painful.
For them, ijabun is a painful punishment.
Yes. Bima kanu yakzibun. Bima because. Bima because. Kanu yakzibun. They habitually used to lie.
Kanu yakibuna, they habitually was.
Used to lie.
Oh, used to lie.
Yeah. First phrase, fi qulubihim marad. Fi means in. Qulub, hearts. Him, there. Marad, a disease. Is a disease. فَزَادَهُمُ اللَّهُ مَرَضًا. So he increased them and Allah in disease. وَلَهُمْ, and for them, عَذَابٌ أَلِيمٌ, painful, alim, painful, and alim, all knowing. If that is with ayn, alim, so meaning all knowing, and alim, painful. Adabun alim, painful punishment. Bima, because. Kanu yakdibun, they habitually used to lie.
Habitually used to lie.
So disease of doubts about Quran, Prophet, Akhirah, because they did not care to think, too busy. Disease of desire for power, money, position, relationship, etc. They do anything to get these, even if it is haram. Doubts and or evil desires lead to nifaq, which was stopping them from becoming true Muslims. Punishment in this world, Allah increased their disease. 1. In the hereafter, painful punishment. 2. Allah's adab will itself be painful. When He says adabun alim, imagine how painful it will be. A'udhu billahi min dhalik. May Allah protect us. ففي قلوبهم مرض فزادهم الله مرضا ولهم عذاب أليم بما كانوا يكذبون. Question, translate. كانوا يكذبون.
كانوا يكذبون, they used to say. They
Which one is correct?
They are lying. Yeah, they used to say.
That is B.
Yeah.
So, which one will fit here? I mean, which one will be the correct one? A, money. B, evil desire. C, doubts. D, position leads to hypocrisy. Hypocrisy. Select more than one. I mean, all four be correct. 1, 2, 3. We can
evil desire, money. Yes.
So everyone is correct?
Yeah. Money, evil desire, the A and B.
A and B. I mean, I think B and C.
B and C.
Yeah, we can say money and positions. Yes, yeah. Evil desires and doubts, hypocrisy, because this is about hypocrisy.
Doubt, okay, doubt.
Yes, because it is mentioned here. Disease of desires. Yes. Okay. So punishment of hypocrites in the hereafter. Allah will increase their disease, painful punishment. Allah will set a seal on hearts, a veil on reason. A, B, C, D. Which one is correct?
C.
C. Punishment of hypocrites in the hereafter.
Oh. It's a punishment of hypocrites.
Yes.
In the hereafter, Allah will increase their punishment. Oh, painful punishment.
Yes, that's it. That's it. I mean, Allah will increase their disease and painful punishment. In the hereafter, painful punishment. So 8, and among the people, there are some who say, we believe in Allah and in the last day, but they are not believers at all. They seek to deceive Allah. And those who believe, but they do not deceive except themselves, and they do not realize it. Then in their hearts is a disease, so Allah has increased their disease, and for them is a painful punishment because they used to lie. Lesson, dua and plan. Hypocrites behave like believers, but in reality they deceive others. Why disease in hearts reality result in dunya? Allah increases their disease, result in akhirah, painful punishment. So, O Allah, increase me in iman, protect me from hypocrisy, protect me from doubts and evil desires. A frequent dua of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Ya muqallib al-qulub, thabbit qalbi ala dinik. Say with me or after me.
Ya
Ya
muqallib
muqallib al-qulub,
Ya muqallib al-qulub,
thabbit qalbi ala dinik.
thabbit qalbi ala dinik.
Translation. O changer of the hearts, make my heart firm upon your religion.
Naam.
Firm upon your religion. A simple plan. Inshallah, I'll purify my heart by studying Al-Quran, Hadith, Sirah, etc. and the signs in the universe, staying with good people. Inshallah.
Inshallah.
Now, asma and af'al. Asma means nouns. Nouns. Yawm is a noun and meaning day. The plural is ayyam. Plural is ayyam.
Yeah.
Nafs is
Yamu-
singular and the plural is anfus.
Nafs.
The plural is anfus. Yes. Maradun is singular and the plural is amrad. Amrad.
Amwad.
Okay. Now this is af'al time, so af'al. Bab fataha, khada'a, yakhda'u, khada'a, yakhda'u, ikhda', khadi', makhdu', khida'. And then sha'ara yash'uru, wama yash'urun, it comes on the pattern of nasara. So sha'ara, yash'uru, ush'ur, sha'ir, mash'ur, shu'ur. Then kadhibu bima kanu yakdhibun, kadhiba, kadhaba, yakdhibu. That is daraba, yadribu. Kadhaba, yakdhibu, ikdhib. Kadhaba, yakdhibu, ikdhib. Kadhib, mukdhub, kidhb. This is TPI. So khadi means deceiver. Then what is the word for he deceived? Khadi'un, yakhda'u, makhdu'. He deceived.
Yakhda'una. Makhda'una.
He deceived. What is the Arabic word for this one?
Khadda.
Khada'a. Yes, D is correct.
Khadda.
فعل مضارع of شعر is شعر. فعل مضارع of شعر. Which one is the keyword of فعل مضارع?
Shahara. Tashhara. Nashara. Yashara.
يشعر. يشعر.
Oh, yes.
Yeah, which one is correct? This one? يشعر.
Yes, yes.
MashaAllah. يشعر, yes. Singular of amrad. Amrad is a plural, so which one is the singular of amrad?
Amrad.
MashaAllah. Maradun is singular of the plural of amrad. Alhamdulillah, we have done it.
So,
Let's do dua.
maradu is something increase the heart, huh?
No. Marad is something which is bad in our heart, which is like we say that he is unwell, he is feeling unwell, so he is ill. Like the heart is unhealthy. Heart is not healthy. Like heart is unhealthy. The heart has disease in it. That's why that is unhealthy.
So like the heart is like this.
Let's do dua. May Allah help us to recite, understand, ponder, implement, propagate, and memorize the Quran. Ameen ya Rab. سبحانك اللهم وبحمدك نشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت نستغفرك ونتوب إليك. الحمد لله.